Time news tonight. Petrojam valuation row deepens. In jeopardy, Rio Minnow threatens South Clarendon community and renewed calls for compensation as road work continues to hurt businesses.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview.
Thank you, Janella. Well, a Staten report has revealed that the inflation rate is still outside the government's target range. The BOJ has had to explain and implement new measures. I'll give you the details in the business day.
All right, and from Herman to Karen Madden and sports.
Thanks, Archie. Well, the conundrum involving the PLC and the PFAJ continues. Now, CONCACAF is weighing in. I'll tell you why.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are your views on the role of the Jamaica Defense Force? Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Stay with us. The Primetime News package returns after this break.
News